Hey guys, after overwhelming response on gluten-free maize flour tacos, I'm sharing my innovative recipe with millets. Some people are sensitive to maize, hence after many trials I came up with perfect recipe for crunchy and crispy gluten-free millet taco shells. They are so crunchy. Here I am using sorghum and finger millet flour, but instead you can use only sorghum flour as well. And then rice flour, chickpea flour. So first take sorghum and finger millet mixture, then add rice flour, chickpea flour or besan, salt, oil, a pinch of baking powder. Roughly mix the ingredients and then add hot boiling water little by little to prepare hard but smooth dough. You can also use food processor for kneading. I am kneading this for 2 to 5 minutes. You can see it is now smooth and hard. This is the right consistency. No need to keep this dough at rest. Then divide the dough in equal parts. Then take one small ball sized dough, knead it again. Dough should be smooth. Seal the edges if they are breaking. Flatten it to form a medium circle. You can dust some flour to flatten it and then roll gently to make a medium size circle, but it should be thin than our bhakri or jowar roti. Then with the help of cutter or shaper, cut into medium circle. This way we will get same size circles for our taco shells. Now prick this tortillas with fork to avoid puffing while baking. Then we are going to half cook this tortillas. So I am placing it on hot tawa or griddle, applying some water on top. Half cook from one side and then flip over and half cook the other side. Then roll it on a rolling pin to give D shape of taco. You can see it's a bit hot, but we have to do it when it is hot. Then apply some oil on both the sides of tortilla. Repeat the same process for remaining dough. Then place the tortillas or the taco shells upside down on a grill or rack to form D shape. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake these taco shells for 10 to 15 minutes. For mine it required 12 minutes. You can see the taco shells are ready. Once baked, remove the shells from the rack and cool down completely. You can see they are nicely baked. You can store them in airtight container and use as required. Our gluten-free, crunchy millet taco shells are ready. You can fill with Mexican beans, salsa and with crunchy salad or your favorite filling. These are perfect party snacks. Enjoy this with your family and friends. These are so yummy, isn't it? So crunchy and yummy. Tasty bee, healthy bee. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.